Let's talk about software development teams, technology teams specifically. And you s- you made a few comments earlier about how much easier perhaps it will be for people to create certain types of apps. What do you see as the impact of Gen AI on software development teams, and how should they be using them?
What Copilots had introduced within GitHub and all the other tools, and just the amount of data that's out there and the process behind this, like there's a ton of efficiency. So, for myself, again, not an engineer here, but this past summer, I wanted to write about some different stuff related to AI. So I was like, okay, do you know what? I'm going to take the best AI movies ever made, and I'm going to write articles about that. 2001 and Her and Metropolis and all these other movies, and just taking time to kind of take a step back, saying, rewatching them, what were they thinking them? How does this apply to today?
Mhm.
One of the things I wanted to do in doing that, it occurred to me, I think when I was maybe writing about 2001, I'm like, I want to make a video game about this. And so I think I used Claude at the time over the summer. Again, not an engineer, and I was able to use Claude to make a pretty rudimentary video game with Dave's like trying to escape from hell. I don't even remember what it was. It kept me interested for about 90 seconds, and then I'm like, okay, I'm done with this thing.
Right.
It had all the features of that, and again, like that was incredibly awesome, and I could share that, and I could actually like spread that around, and like it even helped me. So I uploaded it to GitHub, and so like anybody can play this thing now. And I did that with all of these things I was working on. I'm like, that's just a really interesting, different, creative way, as we were kind of talking about before, for anybody to be a software engineer. So if you're an engineering team today, look, if you're not using these tools, you need to be. Just full stop.